No, more dancing. I like watching you dance. That was good. Come on. Dance some more. Dance, Lorelai. Yay! Dancing! Dance some more! Come on! You got all the footwork down. Wow! That's good! More dancing! More dancing! Lorelai, dance some more! Come on! This is Glenn Miller. Yeah! This is one of your Grandpa Grisco's favorites. He loved Glenn Miller. Okay. Come on, watch out, watch out, watch out. Don't chase me. Come on, dance some more. Can you kick your feet like this? Yeah, kick your feet. There you go. Kick your feet like that. Can you do that? Good, that's good. Can you raise your arms up in the air and shake your little booty? Shake your booty like this. Woohoo! There you go. Yay! Shake your booty. All right. Very good. That's good. Whoops! Don't trip. Raise your hands up in the air. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. There you go. Yeah. Okay, move your feet. Move your feet. Yay! Yay! We're getting ready to decorate our Christmas tree either today or tomorrow, huh? Oh, she's doing some fancy footwork now. Wow. Fancy. That's right. What are you doing sitting on the floor? Say hi. Can you wave? Can you wave hello? Hello. What's your name? Lorelai. Yay. That was a good song. Did you like that music? This is the first of many Christmas songs we play in this house. Yeah. Come on, do some more dancing. It's almost over. More dancing. Yay. What are you doing? Lorelai's in her pajamas too, huh? What are these, Lorelai? What are you wearing? Huh? Pajamas. Can you say pajamas? Pajamas. Okay. Yay! Are we going somewhere?